Breaking news that affects millions of Americans. The SNAP benefits you've known are about to change dramatically. Starting October 15, 2025, new laws will transform who gets food assistance and how you apply. I've spent the last week analyzing these changes, and what I discovered will surprise you. If you're currently receiving SNAP benefits or thinking about applying, you need to watch this entire video. Your benefits could be at stake. Before we dive deep into these crucial changes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm constantly updating my community about benefits changes, and you don't want to miss any time-sensitive information that could affect your benefits. Drop an apple in the comments if you're currently receiving SNAP benefits or planning to apply. Let's start with the question everyone's asking. What exactly is changing with SNAP in 2025? The new legislation, officially called the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program Modernization Act of 2025, introduces several major modifications that will affect both current recipients and new applicants. First, let's talk about the most significant change that's causing quite a stir in the benefits community. The income threshold for SNAP eligibility is being adjusted for the first time in over a decade. But here's the twist. It's not a one-size-fits-all change. The new law introduces what they're calling regional income considerations. You might be wondering, what does that mean for you? Well, if you live in an area with a higher cost of living, you might now qualify for SNAP, even if you were previously denied. For example, if you're a family of 4 living in a metropolitan area where housing costs are through the roof, your income limit could be up to 20% higher than the current threshold. But there's more to this story. The application process itself is getting a complete overhaul. Remember those long hours spent at the benefits office? Those might become a thing of the past. The new law mandates all states to implement digital application systems by January 2026. Some states are ahead of the curve and will launch their platforms this October. Here's a question many of you have been asking in my previous videos. Will the new system make it harder to apply? Surprisingly, the answer is no. The digital system is designed to be more user-friendly with built-in assistance features. You'll be able to upload documents directly from your phone, and there's even going to be a video chat option for interviews. Now, let's address another burning question. What about work requirements? This is where things get interesting. The new law introduces what they're calling flexible work requirements. Instead of the strict 20-hour-per-week minimum, the new system considers various forms of workforce engagement. Did you know that under the new rules, online courses and job training programs will count toward work requirements? This is huge for people who are trying to improve their skills while maintaining their benefits. The law also introduces protection for gig workers and freelancers, making it easier for them to verify their work hours. But here's something that might concern some of you. The verification process is becoming more frequent. Under the new law, recipients will need to verify their eligibility every 6 months instead of annually. However, there's a silver lining. The verification process will be primarily digital, and the system will automatically pull information from other government databases when possible. Let's talk about benefit amounts. The new law includes an automatic cost of living adjustment mechanism. This means your benefits will automatically adjust based on food price inflation in your region. No more waiting for Congress to approve increases. The adjustments will happen automatically every quarter. Here's a question that's been flooding my inbox. What happens to my current benefits during the transition? Don't worry, there's a grandfather clause. Current recipients will continue receiving their benefits under the old rules for a 90-day transition period. This gives you time to adapt to the new system without losing your benefits. The new law also introduces something completely new, the Nutritional Education Digital Platform. Every SNAP recipient will get access to this platform, which includes meal planning tools, budgeting assistance, and even cooking tutorials. It's like having a nutritionist and financial advisor rolled into one. Speaking of technology, let's discuss the new EBT card features. Starting October 15th, you'll be able to use your SNAP benefits for online grocery shopping at a much wider range of retailers. The new law requires all major grocery chains to accept online SNAP payments by 2026, but many are implementing this feature early. Here's something that might surprise you. The new law includes an emergency benefits boost provision. If there's a declared emergency in your area, like a natural disaster or public health crisis, your benefits can be automatically increased without waiting for special congressional approval. Now, let's address what you need to do before October 15. First, make sure your current information is up to date in the system. This includes your address, phone number, and email. The new system will rely heavily on digital communication, so having accurate contact information is crucial. You might be wondering about the application process if you're new to SNAP. Starting October 15th, you'll be able to begin your application through a new national portal that will direct you to your state system. The good news? You can start gathering your documents now. You'll need proof of identity, Social Security numbers for all household members, proof of income for the last 30 days, proof of residence, current utility bills. But here's the key difference. You'll be able to submit all of these documents digitally. The new system includes a secure document upload feature that works with your smartphone camera. Let's talk about appeal rights under the new law. The appeals process is becoming more streamlined with guaranteed response times. If your application is denied, you'll have 60 days to appeal, and decisions must be made within 30 days. This is a significant improvement from the current system, where appeals can drag on for months. For families with children, there's an important new provision. The law introduces automatic SNAP enrollment for children who qualify for free school meals. This means if your child is already receiving free school meals, they'll be automatically evaluated for SNAP eligibility. Here's another question many of you have asked. What about seniors and disabled individuals? The new law includes special provisions for these groups. There's a simplified application process, and the asset limit has been increased specifically for senior and disabled applicants. Now, let's discuss some strategies to ensure a smooth transition to the new system. First, download your state's benefits app as soon as it becomes available. Many states will release their apps in early October. These apps will be your primary tool for managing your benefits, submitting documents, and receiving notifications. Second, familiarize yourself with the new income calculation method. The new system will look at your average income over 3 months rather than just current income. This change helps people with fluctuating incomes, like seasonal workers or gig economy workers. Third, start gathering your digital documents now. Create a folder on your phone or computer where you can store photos or scans of all your important documents. This will make the transition much easier when the new system launches. These changes are significant, and it's natural to feel overwhelmed. But remember, these updates are designed to make the system more accessible and efficient. I'll be creating detailed guides for each aspect of these changes in the coming weeks. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from knowing about these changes. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest SNAP news and benefit changes. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll be monitoring them closely and might create follow-up videos addressing your specific concerns. Remember, we're all in this together, and knowledge is power when it comes to managing your benefits. Want to stay ahead of these changes? I've created a free downloadable checklist to help you prepare for the October 15 transition. Click the link in the description to get your copy. And if you're worried about navigating these changes, join our Facebook support group. The link is also in the description. Until next time, stay informed and take care.